You can do it now.
What's up, everyone? How you doing today? Hope you're having a great day. It's beautiful out. It's really been a long winter and we're so happy that spring is here. We did not get to do a lot of boating this winter because of life. We bought a house in December. Of course, we went under contract in November. That was a very stressful time for us. If you've ever bought a house, maybe you know. And then we went to Grand Cayman. That was supposed to be in December, but with the whole house buying and a tropical storm over there, we pushed it to January. So we just got back from that. And then we promptly got very sick and we are still recovering from that. Feeling much better today. It is gorgeous out, so we can't help ourselves. We're heading out. We're gonna do a little bit of a dock-and-dine, not a full review. We've been here before. We've made a video of this place before, but we've got to get out. Let's get to it.
Good to see you guys, but like Kim said, it's been a long, stressful winter. This house came up on the market, came up in November, and we put an offer on it like the next day. This house here, what's great, it's on a ½ acre, but there's no HOA, so we've got our boat parked out there, but we've just been busy, just, you know, unpacking. We haven't been on the boat. It's starting to warm up here now. It's going to be a nice day. We're going to get up into probably like the 82 degrees probably. So we're going to run down to Circles. We did a video on that. You guys, we'll put a link over there if you want to see that again. But we're just going to run down there, get some food. We want to check out some landscaping ideas because with this yard here, let me just show you guys something here. So these are coconut trees. These three, I've been growing these from seed. They're probably, you know, 5-7 years old. You know, so every time I go down to the Keys, I grab a coconut. So we've got plenty of trees that we're going to be planting. So one of the things we want to do is just kind of look at Circles. I'd like their landscaping down there. Try to do like a tropical vibe. But we've got our screened-in pool here. We got this to keep the dogs from falling. But you know, we got some yard back over in there, so we got plenty. We got
acreage.
So we got plenty of room, plenty of work, plenty of projects that we got to work on. So it's gonna be busy, but we're still gonna be making time for the boat. So we're gonna go ahead and get going and then head on down to Circles, and I think we'll be putting it at the Williams boat ramp today. Jackson is doing his ASA 103. Who drove by there.
What is that?
That's a sailing. Oh, so he's taking an ASA 103. It's a sailing course. So him and Kim, they did the 101 together. So he's doing the 103 now down in Ruskin with Flagship Sailing. So, all right, let's get into it. Ooh, all right, we are here. The ramp is busy.
Don't record this.
Don't record that. Cool. Cool. All right, we ready to send it?
Just about.
All right, man, I'm tired. That was a long walk. Let's see how she do.
Over there? Shit. Current's going that way.
Oh, is it? Yeah. Is this not a good spot? Oh yeah, it is. I'll try to be quick. Yeah, I try to aim up here more. And in this episode of Miami Boat Ramps, Cap does not look happy. Cool, and then hit reverse or something. Great. Great job, babe. You did it. All right, thank you. Let's do it.
Sucks having old eyes. So, okay. So I can go up in there on the other side.
Yeah.
So you're gonna be on the, what is this, the starboard over here?
Oh, there. Cool.
Sounds like they're having a good time at Finn's.
Fins, right? And then I'll put the things up or whatever. Let's see. Probably tighten that boy up a little.
Yeah, tighten up.
Tighten up. Just don't be recording me doing this because
you don't know what you're doing?
Because just. So are we looking all right there? Yeah, this will he's gonna kind of drift out there a little bit. Yeah, should be all right. See how they did theirs. That's nice. Yeah, look at that. See, look at that.
I mean, that's a little much.
I like it.
Twirling in, that looks.
Hey, as long as the boat's still here. There's a grade. Look at that Grady white.
What's with the horns?
Oh, yeah. It's kind of like Nordine's boat, right? This is a Grady white like that.
Yeah.
All right, so this is why we came. The landscaping. This is
nice.
Yeah, it's nice. That one down there, About Time, that's the nicest. There you go, now I can read it. And you just threw sand all in the boat. I'm just kidding. All right, so here we've got the sand, but then, so you got these rocks.
Ooh, yeah, look at how big these rocks are.
Yeah, those are some big boys.
That's sea grape?
Yep, sea grapes, the canary palms. You got the traveler palms back there.
Oh, that canary palm is dead.
Yeah, he's done. So we'll just, yeah, but you see how they've got like this, right up in here is like this. So this is what I'm envisioning, something like that. So you got like the crushed shell, but you see how it's, so these are the royal palms right here, babe. They're kind of like the foxtails.
Oh, okay.
And they got these boys close together.
Well, they're not that close. I mean, think about how far apart these two were when they were planted.
Yeah, but I mean, like these guys here, because this is a skyway palm.
Yeah. Traveler palm. What's this guy here?
Some type of sea grape looking thing.
And there's a hibiscus.
Yeah, hibiscus.
Here's the mini sea grapes.
Yeah, the mini sea grapes. I'm gonna take a couple pictures.
Lots of the traveler palm.
While we were at Circles, we ordered some appetizers and some drinks. Kim had a margarita. I had an old fashioned. We got the grouper nuggets, the Korean pork belly, and the spicy Cajun scallops. All three were delicious. Highly recommend checking out Circles if you are in the area. The docking is nice, the food is great, and it has a cool atmosphere. Afterwards, we decided to walk around and check out some of the landscaping that they had there at Circles to give us some ideas for what we can do to our house. That's it for the day, people. You know, I hope it was good seeing you guys. Let's see, where were we at? There we go.
Sun's going down. We got a sunset ride home a little bit. Not sunset. It's late in the afternoon.
It's late in the afternoon.
Gorge.
But
gorge.
Good to see you guys again. You know, like I said, we have not been on the water. We've been doing all this stuff with life, but it's starting to warm up. So hopefully we're going to be going out to Egmont.
Alive. It's like that bear that comes out of hibernation. Here we come.
Here we come. But we got home projects that we're going to be working on. You know, that's going to be like a Sunday thing. Saturday is going to be boating. So we're looking forward to it. It's starting to warm up. Oh, I love this weather. Hopefully we don't get no winter trying to sneak back in here. That has happened before. So I hope you guys like this video. And you know what? We're gonna see you guys in the next one.
Yeah, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.